Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to set up and use Image Playground on Mac. Alright, let's begin. First, note that Image Playground is only available on M series Macs, not on Intel-based Macs. To get started, launch the Image Playground app by searching for it or by opening the Launchpad. Once you've opened the app, you will then be taken to the main interface of the Image Playground app. There are two main ways to use this app. The first method is by describing the image you want to create in the text box provided. The second method involves using variables. To use variables, first select a person you want to use as a starting point. Next, choose additional variables. After adding these variables, the app will combine them and generate several images within a few seconds. Once the images are generated, select one that you like. To finalize your selection, click on Done in the top right corner. You can then save the image to your Mac by clicking on the Share button and selecting Add to Photos, or just share it with others through the Share menu. So that's basically how you can set up and use Image Playground on Mac. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.